Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to turn off dark mode on Twitter. So let's get started. First, open Twitter on a web browser. As you can see, I've already opened Twitter on my web browser. After that, click the option named More and go to the option named Display under the Settings and Privacy. Under the Help Center. After clicking Display, you'll come to the page named Customize Your View. From here, to turn off dark mode, you just have to click the option named Default in the background menu. So that, as you can see, the dark mode has been turned off. If you click Done, the dark mode will turn off, and you'll be on the default view of Twitter, which is the light mode. So that's how you can turn off dark mode on Twitter. Hope you guys like this video. Share our other videos, stay with our channel, support us by subscribing to our channel. Hope you guys have a nice day. Peace.